This is my favorite part of the job because it's where I get to put on some XC. I call them the sexy XC, especially with the meat in 3 points. It's absolutely beautiful, man. I'm gonna show you how I do that, man. All right, let's measure some external angle. Not here, right there. Cool. And then we go. I'll go 33.56, I like that. Gotta write it down. That's flush with this plaster here. And here's what we do. I got two different types of external angle. We call this one long leg because it's got the power you travel, but then this side of it, you don't do much to it. This is gonna go at the very top because I don't wanna do much to it. And then we've just got the standard external metal angle. Very good. 33.56. Get a small piece like this. Stapler. 10mm staples. I'm gonna sit it on. Roughly what that is. That's just to hold it for me. Come back this way. And I'll make sure that it's this point meets that point. Need to bring it. It doesn't move. Come back this side, which is. So that's like perfect. Lock it up. Make sure I got it go. Level. Plaster 908. Sit on that line there, make sure it's nice. I'm gonna mark where that 45 ends, and I'll do that right there. From my mark, and this side doesn't really matter until I put the next piece on. Now it should be nice, and it's not overlapping each other. You don't want it to overlap. I'm gonna get my level to finish it up. Nice and level. It's important, this and that should be nice and level. This way, make sure I'm good. I'm good. I'll leave that for now. I'm gonna get this top now. This goes on the top, so spin it around to suit. I'm just gonna tuck it on just to hold it. You need a gap so you can try that, and it gets filled nicely. That's just to hold it. We'll do the same thing over here, just to hold it. I like that. Before I do anything fancy, I'm gonna cut and measure this piece right here. I don't know, 908 again. Like that. I can tell that that's a little bit short, so I need to bring that back. So I'm gonna just tuck this on right there. I'm gonna come back here and make sure that these line up very nicely, and I'm happy there. Now here's what you do, because it was important for this to be nice and level. We're gonna use this to get the same straightness for the top. So instead of getting a level, we're gonna use a tape. That's a 195. You can lift it up and down to match it. 195 there. And you just repeat that. Might be there, 195 all the way through. Very good. This part right here, so we've got this side and the top done. So now when you're measuring this, because I want this little piece to be inside there and inside here, I want to be careful how I measure it. So what I want to do is I want to go 200, which is 5mm too long. I'll do that for a reason. Make sure you got no funny business on that. Mark my 45 at the very top. Same thing with the bottom. Cut it, 45. I want to mark the bottom of this. Once it's marked, I'm gonna cut it. Make sure it's clean. So I need it to sit exactly where I want it to sit. That's nice and flush and tight right there. Mark my 45 angles. I kinda wanna try to get it as straight as possible. So once it's sitting nice and flush at the bottom, the top, I wanna kinda lock that in where it's at. You have a nice 3-point turn external angle, nice and sharp. Pointy at the end. Going that way, it looks beautiful. Coming back this way, it looks gorgeous. Absolutely sexy XC like I told you. I'm gonna make it look beautiful.